Hey guys, this is Maggie from Keheng Battery. We are lithium battery manufacturer. Today I will like talking about the 100 in our battery. The Keheng 100 battery is in a group 31K, so it will fit right where your old batteries previously set. Built with living iron force field lifepo4 technology. This battery has advanced Bluetooth technology. You can find the KHBMS app in the app store to view your battery voltage and can test it right from your smartphone. We use only grade A cell with 5 years warranty. The most advanced BMS systems, the tough internal structure making our batteries the safest and most reliable batteries on the market today. For more details, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye.